Hello world, my name's Matt. Today we're going to talk about Peru and homosexuals. This story is from an article in the Huffington Post that was taken from the Los Angeles Times. The story goes that Jose Benitez, the mayor of a small town named Tabalasoso. Anyway, this basically stated that 14,000 men in the community were suffering from homosexuality. And it was caused by, well, strontium. Now, before you get upset at Jose, just remember, every high school chemistry student knows that strontium is the gayest. Everyone knows that as you move to one side of the periodic table, the elements get a bit promiscuous, unlike those noble gases that believe in sanctity of marriage, but just can't seem to find the right one to bond with. But that's none of our business what goes on in the secret lives of atoms. That's for scientists. But there's one thing I'm curious about. How did that conversation go down? There's something serious that we have to discuss. Sir, I'm your counsel. You can confide in me in anything. I'm getting reports that there are high amounts of strontium in our water supply, and I want something done about it pronto. Well, sir, I completely agree. As part of your administration, I strongly recommend that water purification be put at the forefront of any legislation. Absolutely. Because the effects would be devastating. Yes, it's a heavy element and could cause a lot of damage and health issues. Yeah, and it's making the townspeople gay! What? All jokes aside, this is a serious matter. Dr. Castro Rodriguez was quoted saying,
"Too much strontium in the water can lead to horrible health effects, such as cardiovascular problems, bone cancer, even anemia."
Now the sad truth is that in Peru, homosexuality does still have a huge stigma. If you are homosexual, I have some advice for you. I think you should move. For two very good reasons. Now hear me out. One being, there is strontium in your water supply. The second bit of advice being, what self-respecting homosexual lives in a jungle? There is a coastline. The Pacific Ocean is not very far away from you. Move! Well, that's all I have to say on the matter. Now I leave it to the community. So the question is, what do you think should be done about this mayor? What should be done about this water supply? What solutions would you give?